All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So first, 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 and first. So first, as in to be first place in something. Yeah. To when no one else beats you, first in something. I'm the first one here. He came first in the race. Who was first? Yeah. She thought she was here first. She thought she was here first. Yeah. They were here first before everyone else. Yeah. How cool is that? We will talk to him first. I need to speak with them first before I decide anything. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. But thirst, to need water. Yeah, he is very thirsty. Thirsty. Yeah. The plants are thirsty. You will feel thirsty after this. It will build up a thirst, all that exercise. Yeah. How cool is that? Exercising builds up a thirst. Yeah. You can get a drink of water when you feel thirsty. Yeah. So thirst and first. First in the race, and I feel thirsty. Yeah, he is thirsty. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use first and thirst in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.